Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we will replace the dead battery in a late model Maserati key fob with a fresh one. We will need a number 6 Torx or star bit, a very small screwdriver, and a new CR2032 battery. First, we will need to remove the mechanical key. It's in the way. Look for this black button on the back of the fob. Press it and pull on this separation in the chrome bezel and the key is out. 2 screw heads are now visible. We'll use the number 6 Torx bit on the inside screw. It's a long screw and will take some time to remove. Keep it in a safe place. Now we'll remove the chrome pieces on both sides. A fingernail beneath the top of each piece will start them moving. They are hooked at the bottom, so rotate them away. The remaining fob must be separated, and the manual did not offer any guidance. We were able to separate them using a fingernail again. The visible circuit board is held by a single screw in one corner. Remove it using the same Torx bit used previously. Don't lose this screw either. Now we see the battery with its markings down. Use the screwdriver to get beneath it. And there's our CR2032. Install the new battery beginning against the metal contact shown. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery if there is one. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. If you make a final move with a finger, wipe the battery down again. Make sure the markings are down. Replace the circuit board. It's a loose fit and the screw will not only hold it down, it will also hold it in the proper alignment. Snap the 2 halves of the fob back together. Replace the 2 chrome side pieces, hooking the bottom ends in first. The piece that holds the mechanical key will go on the right side as it appears here with the buttons up. Replace the long screw that connects the 2 chrome pieces. Slip the mechanical key back in. Test the locks, and you're ready to go. For help with other push button or keyless start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.